YouTube, it's Pally and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Now today I'll be unboxing a few items I purchased from the Heaven by Marc Jacobs collection. This package has been sitting around for a few days because I had to get my mullet right, get a little haircut and fix it up a little bit before I film this video. Anyways, the pieces I purchased are a bit flamboyant and colorful, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. However, I just wanted something to light up my wardrobe for the summer and pull off cool fits for my IG. So please go follow that if you haven't. Okay, so here's the package right here. I already cut it open so it's easier to show you guys. So on the inside it says Marc Jacobs right there on the top. What I got is this little Marc Jacobs pamphlet advertising the collection. I think it's called the Color Collection or something like that right here. Anyways, so this is my first purchase right here. I got a little t-shirt right here, a nice cool white shirt with a graphic in the front. So it has this Heaven logo that Marc Jacobs adopted for this collection in green and a little bit of purple. That says Heaven by Marc Jacobs right there on the front. Super cool logo and very playful for the summer, and it's gonna really like fit in my wardrobe seamlessly. What I like about Marc Jacobs is that he pays attention to details, and right here you can see that the tag, it's in this brown colorway with a little bit of blue, and the logo is right there. Moving on to the back, it's nice and plain, nothing that stands out to me, but yeah, that's the first pickup right here. Now the next one is this cool little cardigan. I'll open it up and show you guys real quick. This one stood out to me a lot because I don't have a lot of cardigans in my collection or in my wardrobe, and this one is super colorful and nice. In my opinion, it reminds me of Tyler the Creator's cardigans that he wears, and some designs that Golf also makes. Now on top it says Marc all around in this very colorful and playful way. And there's purple stripes, there's mohair, pink stripes, green stripes, and yeah, a lot of stripes on this. And yeah, there's not much to say about this other than it's very playful, colorful, and I like it a lot. And I'll also be styling an outfit that will be on my Instagram, so please go follow it. Alright, so those are my two quick pickups from Heaven by Marc Jacobs. Please leave a comment down below of what you think about my pickups, and have a great day. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
Pally, how are the pictures looking, man?
Hey man, we do the most for these fit pics, man.
Wallah,
Yo, make sure you follow me on IG, you know, I went crazy with the fit.
Yep.
Damn, Pally.
Okay.
What is that? What shirt is that, bro?
Show them the fit.
What shirt is that?
Marc Jacobs cardigan, Marc Jacobs shirt. You know, some Levi's jeans. Then I got the lucky green dunks right here.
Damn, how much your fit cost, bro?
I don't know, man. Look it up.
Damn.
Yo, say something for the vlog, man.
This is the best pork I've had in my life.
Look, Mo. Yo, Mo.
Hey. Oh, you bought one?
Yeah. Oh, your head looks so big. Hey, back to the gym, first day back in the gym.
Hey.
He just touched.
Before the rub, they finna rub it.
Yo, Adnan, how you feeling, man? Before the rub. Let's see your big balls, man. Downtown going crazy. Yo, Firas, man. Why are you so shy, man?
Our job is done.
What the fuck going on in downtown today? Do it again. Now take off your pants. Keep going. Hand up. Hands up, man. Hands up. Oh, what are you doing in your pocket, brother? Don't jerk off. What are you doing? Go like this. Do this, please, sir. What's he doing? What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? What the hell? What the fuck are you doing?
jerking off.
Okay, yo, go like this. Yeah, exactly. Turn around.
Yeah, forget about it. Nah, not forget
Oh,
about it.
come on.
Brother, the line, brother, the line, brother, the line.
On the line. Yeah, you can't cross the line. Remember. Nice.
Exactly.
What you do? Hey, keep your hands out of your pockets, man. Hey, hey, hey,
Yeah.
Hands up, up,
keep your hands out your pockets.
Hands up.
Yeah.
Good.
There you
You
go.
guys wanna have some beer?
Oh, hey, hand out of
Yeah,
your
money.
pocket, brother.
Yeah, come on, man.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I want some. I don't have friends.
Oh,
Put your hands up, remember.
you're gonna buy us alcohol?
Yeah, I wanna buy.
Where you wanna go, man?
Buy a shot.
Where you wanna
Come
go?
on. Where?
Anywhere. Blue
Give me the money, I'll get the shot.
Blue cactus.
I have money.
Where? You have extra card, man.
It's empty.
Yes, invisible money.
The wallet is empty, brother. Show me.
Brother, put your hands up. Stop it,
Shit,
just-
man. You wanna have a drink or not?
Yeah. Let's have a drink, man. Let's have a drink.
Vlog, bro. Vlog.
Hey man, the cops BLM. The cops BLM in my city. That's all I have to say.
That's what we calling up for a coffee. Yeah, Kirk and Polly, don't know YouTube channel coming soon, 2022, don't know.
How's it going? Howdy, guys. We're still waiting for our
Just waiting for
friend.
our friend.
They're a bit drunk.
So the room next door, I've already received a complaint twice from that room for this room. So you guys are just panicking and talking once again.
Sorry for being lost. We're just a bit drunk. It's okay.
And gentlemen, are you recording me?
Sausage fest today.
I'm here for this. I don't know why. Just tell me what's up. You're big, bro. You're actually big. Since the. No, not really. You usually big. No, that's right. I'm trying.
Yo, move your head with me, sir. Yo, you're so black, right?
You already know what it is. We're in the telling manager, don't know.
Your
Look at
face
the
is
view.
so black. Come on,
Look at the view, don't know. We're in the bit for real, yeah. Imagine I actually talk like that. Fuck, bro.
Yo, I'm putting in the vlog, huh?
Hey, bro, I don't care. This is our channel now, bro.
Yo, it's my channel,
It's
buddy.
me and you now.
No, it's only
It's not just you, it's me and you. It's a partnership.
Only
We agreed.
Pez.